Hello, my friends and rural lovers all over the world. Welcome back to our channel, Roulette Master. And you might be wondering why our all the old stuff from YouTube are gone, and why I have been, silent for so long. So today I'm here face to face with you to review this truth. So the truth is that a few months ago, 2 months earlier, I think my main English YouTube channel that having, with over like 250 videos, and you can say my years of hard work was unexpectedly flagged by YouTube. I appealed, but the decision wasn't in my favor. So to keep this channel safe and active, what I did, I removed all the videos from both the channels and restructured them. You can say we have restructured our entire approach. So from now onwards, on this channel, I will not host or upload any, money-based gameplay, or you can say any gameplay from the real table, or any risky demonstrations that can be flagged by YouTube. Instead, now we will focus on free scam videos like this with very valuable content, a tutorial using some demo platforms, feedback videos that we recorded in past from hundreds of real learners, and powerful new podcast episodes where people share how random play and lack of control impacted their lives. So these are the real stories from people who faced financial losses because they misunderstood the nature of this kind of game, especially roulette, and now they want to help other want to tell other how to avoid the similar kinds of mistakes. So if you are someone who wants to understand the logic, structure, and behind the scene mechanism behind roulette, not just play blindly, then we have built something very very valuable for you. Our complete roulette master course is now available on our official mobile app. The link is given below in the description of this video. Right now, till 31st, I think only 1 or 2 days remaining. First 8 chapters are 100% free. More than that, we have launched 20 structured strategies are also available inside the app, which are built on logic and not just on chance. Okay, so this is not just an entertainment, it's education. It's time to educate yourself. Okay, so you can download the app now using the link in the provided in the description below. And if you have any questions, inquiries, feel free to reach out via our official email address or via WhatsApp. This is just, you can say, a new beginning. And I'm grateful to have you with me. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video with something very, very valuable information or content. So till then, take care. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.